How do I use the quotes? You may have thought, I see quotes on the channel, but how do I make effective use of it? I just look at the quote, get inspired and motivated for a bit. Then after a while, I just forget it and move on. So how do I best use the quotes? Well, the way you use the quote is to create a mental framework. What you do is you compress all your own personal learning and experience into a framework that you can refer to and apply. This also means not all quotes are going to be applicable to you. Let's take an example. You read a quote which says, "Happiness is a state of mind." You think about it and apply your own life experiences to it. Let's say you come back home and you find your house destroyed. First, you're really upset. Then you realize, hey, this disaster could have happened while you could have been home. And then you would have died or been seriously injured. So you add this part of your experience to the mental framework. Later on, you apply the same framework to your daily life. Maybe you spend hours dressing up for a date. You step out, and just as you're about to meet up, you get splattered with bird poop. So you can either get upset, or you can take that mental framework that you have developed and go, hey, now I've got a funny story for my date. And then you take that new experience that you got, where you have got a great date, and you add it to the framework as well. So now with all these quotes, you've got different frameworks to deal with multiple situations, and they function in guiding your thoughts and experiences in daily life in the way you want to live. So instead of defaulting to some response that you don't want, like being anxious or angry or getting disappointed, instead of reacting without thought, you now have a system whereby you are able to respond to events the way you choose to. So harness the power of quotes, build your mental framework, and live the life you choose.